In this video, we are going to discuss about VTP advertisements. So, what are the VTP advertisements? If you can see, the VLAN trunking protocol uses layer 2 frames to communicate the VLAN information among a group of the switches. So, here if you see, this VTP protocol uses the layer 2 frames here to communicate the VLAN information among the group of switches which are connected to each other, having a central switch in it. So, these special frames are sent only out of a trunk links and leading to a neighboring switches. So, they will be having a trunk links connected to a neighboring switches, and these special frames are sent only out of it. And each VTP advertisement contains the VTP header and VTP messages here. You see a basic syntax here of the VTP advertisement having the header and the messages. You see VTP protocol version is mentioned about the protocol version, and VTP message type, what message type it is. VTP management domain name length. So, what is the domain name length of the VTP? VTP management domain name, what is the VTP domain name, and VTP configuration revision number. So, the revision number also mentioned here in the VTP advertisement in the VTP header and the VTP message. So, coming if you see, the VTP switches use a index called VTP configuration revision number. As we discussed in the syntax, the last one, VTP message revision number. So, it uses an index called VTP advertisements or configuration revision number to keep track of the recent VLAN information. So, this revision number has the track or the information of the VLAN which is in the recently added configuration. You see, each switch participating in the VTP domain stores the configuration revision number that is last heard or learned from the VTP advertisement. So, when the VTP advertisement is passed, so this each switch participating in the domain stores the configuration revision number which is heard or learned from the VTP advertisement here. The VTP advertisement processes always starts configuration revision number with 0. So, the minimum VTP configuration revision number start with 0 here. When subsequent changes are made to VTP server, like the deletion addition of VLANs, the revision number is incremented before advertisements are sent. So, if you see a creation or the deletion of the VLANs, the revision number will be incremented based on the VTP advertisements those are sent here. So, if you take about the message types of the VTP, you see there are 3 types of VTP messages. The first one among the 3 types are summary advertisements. So, what is a summary advertisement? By default, Cisco switches uses the summary advertisements at 5-minute intervals. So, the summary advertisements have 5-minute intervals, so that the Cisco switches issue or release this summary advertisements every 5-minute interval here. Summary advertisements inform adjacent switches of the VTP domain name, and the configuration revision number is advertised to the neighboring adjacent switches here. When a switch receives a summary advertisement frame, it compares the VTP domain name to its own VTP domain name. So, this is about the summary advertisements. So, coming to the subset advertisement, which is the second type of the advertisement, when we add or delete or modify the VLAN in a Cisco environment or a switch, the VTP server where changes are made increments our configuration revision number and issues a summary advertisement. So, as soon as any addition or deletion of VLAN in the Cisco environment or a switch, then the revision number is incremented and it is issued as a summary advertisement here. So, one or several subset advertisements which are released follow the summary advertisements here. So, coming to the third one is advertisement request. So, here what is advertisement request? So, a switch needs a VTP advertisement request when a switch is reset. So, when a switch is reset, this advertisement request is used to the domain name and also has been changed. So, it also has an information about the VTP domain name has been changed, or it also has the information of the switch and we received a VTP summary here. So, whenever this switch got reset, then the VTP domain name has changed, information is given to the switch, the adjacent switches, and also the switch has received a VTP summary advertisement with a revision number, a higher configuration revision number that it owns. So, the higher configuration revision number is again advertised as a advertisement request whenever the switch reset, and also whenever the VTP domain name has been changed. So, this is about the types of advertisements used in the VTP.